getting evicted, aren't we?
Maybe not. I see the clock. We just have to get down to it. This is too hard. Ben, you have another invention to fix this mess? Where's Ben?
The wind must have carried him in a different direction.
No.
Sorry, guys. Our day of doing nothing has turned into a disaster.
Man, Lazy Monday was going so well. Remember when Hank lazily got rid of that bologna earlier today?
Do I? That was a proud moment in not getting off my butt. Huh? Yeah.
Well, that won't get us down to... Wait, maybe it will. Let's be like bologna and catch that clock.